What's up, guys? You boy Betty Time here, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm gonna be reacting to Dude Perfect. This is my second time. This is the second time I've reacted to the video. Dude Perfect airplane trick shots. So let's get right into the video.
This is the triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Codes. Ready? It looks good.
Ooh, okay, I like that. Hey.
Claim to the chest.
Mm.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like this.
This is the Limbo Lander.
Ooh. No. Ooh, that was nice. I don't even think I could. It took them a long time to do it. I know that.
Loop and land. That is awesome.
That's nice.
Pilot Ty coming at you from the top level of DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster.
How are they doing this? How did he know he did it? Ooh, that was
It's about to
nice.
be so lit, fam.
Lit.
I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
Ooh! Oh god, that was nice. I think that was the best one.
The trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this.
If you get this one, people are gonna like. They'll like the video if you get this shot.
I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
We all do. This is the no looking looper.
This looks like it was the first time. Ooh! Yeah, that was
I
nice.
survived. I mean, come on,
No doubt.
This is your captain speaking. We no longer have any wings.
Got our modified plane. Couple
Where did they
wingtip
get their
adjustments,
planes
and,
from?
We're gonna go for a barrel roll. This is the barrel roll bomber.
Okay.
That was amazing!
Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed. Pull your chute and I'll save you.
Nice editing. I like the editing. Ooh.
Truth is, that went a lot differently in our minds. He was so much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang. Yikes.
Ooh. What's in there? Balloons. Is that like powder or something? What's that dust in there?
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles. Here we go! This is the double bottle busting laser shot.
Ooh.
We are bringing you innovations that have never been seen before. This is the bacon gonger.
I don't even know. I'm not even looking. I'm just listening to the music. Ooh. This must be taking them a long time. A long time. Ooh! Ooh, that's no.
Let's go! Woo!
That took them a long time. I
And
know
to the
that.
top. And when you need something delivered to you quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International Swisher. It's go time.
Let me show you what it's all about.
Oh, is he gonna make it? Of course. Of course. That's nice. Is that their studio or something? Because that's huge.
What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before we
Of
go to our
course we
normal
did,
outro,
man.
as many of
This
you
was
know,
lit.
Hurricane Harvey has hit our home state of Texas, and while being in Dallas, we're not directly affected. We've got plenty of friends and family that are, so we wanted to encourage you guys to join us in not only praying, but also donating by clicking here to the Red Cross. Be a huge help for the people involved. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here so you don't miss out on any awesome new videos. Also, our brand new merch just dropped. Backpacks, shorts, hats, tees, all kinds of new stuff. Make sure you click down here. Go check out the store. Also, if you want to see the last video, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it. Noggin. See ya!
That was nice. That was the lit one. The music was really good though. I was focused on that most of the time, but yeah, this was a great video overall. I'm wondering how long it took them to do that, cause it must have took them a long time. But hit that subscribe button, as to say, and hit that like button. Trying to get 8 to 10 likes per video. Like, subscribe.